Okay.
Hi guys. Last time you saw us, well, we were reading this book. Oh, and so this is one of our barn cats. Watch what happens when you get to these. Like sometimes. Oh,
Uh-oh, I see it.
she starts to growl, and eventually she'll hiss.
Oh, yeah.
See?
So we need to give her some love to make sure she warms up.
Mhm.
Yeah, but she does a good job catching mice.
Well, I don't think she's been released yet.
Not yet. Well, she has to get comfortable here before she can be released.
So she's been here for 2 weeks total.
What's her name? Do you know?
No clue.
No.
Barn
Cat?
Yeah, it's just named a cat.
Okay.
But right now, if you want to know that, you gotta ask Hunter. So right now, she's still getting used to people, but she used to. But her brother is sad, but her brother ran away.
Oh, I know. I heard.
Yeah.
Yeah. The orange cat, right?
Yeah, his name is Orange.
Okay.
And
So-
as you see, this is his food.
Yep.
That's his bed, and that's his litter box.
Yep.
Oh.
And we will keep you updated as we give Barn Cat some love.
And every time we read this,
Yep.
we're gonna fill you in on the cat.
Yep.
Well, yeah. So
Okay.
this has been
This has been Hope and Jude.
and signing out. Peace out.
Hit stop. Hit stop recording.